So, what is the Junior Mathematical Olympiad? It's a competition. It's a competition aimed at children in year 8 or below. You can go as young as you like, but you can't go above year 8. So that's about 13 years old. It's a mathematics competition and the questions are hard. They start off quite hard and they get harder and harder as we go along. To get into the competition, you have to, well, there's two ways. You can pay a small fee, or you can do well in a slightly easier competition called the Junior Mathematical Challenge. So I'm just going to go through the Olympiad questions because I found that in my school there were some children who were able to do the Olympiad, but they didn't have time, or they weren't in my class, or they needed to practice over the holidays. So I'm going to put some of these videos up here so they can have a look at the answers. Now, the Olympiad questions are not mathematically advanced. Anyone who is age 13 or over should have their required mathematics. You're not going to have calculus, something that you are unlikely to be able to do, but what they are is hard. So if you are not planning on sitting the Olympiad but just want to have a go at the questions, I will put a link below so you can click on this particular paper. This is a 2016. I will do the others later. And you can have a look at the questions. They start off fairly straightforward and they get harder and harder. The first 10 questions, you just have to work out the answers. But later on, you have to write down written proofs. And it is this section that really determines who does well in the Olympiad as opposed to who merely does adequately.